Welcome to the iGuide Embedding tool. The Embedding tool allows you to create a code you add to third-party websites. Embedding places the iGuide directly inside a website to provide a completely contained and interactive experience. Start by clicking the link on the iGuide report labeled Embedding Tool. This will take you to a web interface designed to give you control over what the iGuide will look like. The tool works by generating a code that is then copied and pasted into a website's existing HTML code. The appearance of the interface can be customized by changing the color theme, and the size can also be specified. Responsive will allow the iGuide viewer to adapt itself to available space. Notice that every time you make a change, the code is automatically updated. Under Start Options, you can choose how the iGuide interface initially looks. You can also choose to make the iGuide branded or unbranded. Finally, there are some advanced options where you can choose the initial floor and initial panorama where the iGuide will begin. The iGuide orientation can also be changed from landscape to portrait. A preview of what the iGuide will look like with the current settings is shown at the bottom. If you are comfortable with HTML, you can copy and paste the code into your website yourself, or you can give the code or even the link itself to your web designer and let them do